Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolutions for the Windows installation encountered an unexpected error on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. The first crucial step is to verify the system requirements of the application you are trying to install. To do this, open the Microsoft Store and search for the application. For instance, let us consider the Netflix app. Scroll down on the Applications page until you find the System Requirements section. If all requirements are listed in green, it signifies that your system is compatible, and you can proceed with the installation. However, if any requirement is not met, you will need to compare each individual requirement with the specifications provided by the application developer on their official website. Should you suspect issues with your system's memory, the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool can help. Press the Windows key and the R button simultaneously to open the Run window. Type the command mdschd and press Enter. You will then be prompted to restart your computer and check for problems. Another effective solution is to run a chkdsk scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and right-click on it. Then select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command chkdsk /f/r and press Enter. You may need to confirm by typing Y and pressing Enter again to proceed with the scan. Finally, if you are encountering issues, especially with hardware installations such as drivers for a printer or scanner, simply try using a different USB port. This is a common fix for connectivity problems with external devices. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.